What's up everybody, welcome back to Fleshman Farms. Today is going to be an awesome day. We are going to have to go to Tractor Supply and pick up some feed for the quail. And we have a little surprise for you guys because right here we have $8,000 and we're buying our first piece of farm equipment today. So we're not going to tell you what it is yet, but stick along and let us know what you think about our first piece of farm equipment that we're going to buy today.
Okay, we're in the car, both of us, money in hand. I'm so excited. We've been waiting for this moment for quite a while now, and we just haven't found the right thing. So we're finally doing it. This is like our first big step. Cash in hand, ready to go, and I'm super, super excited. We're in our new farm toy. Ah!
That's dope. It's an ammo crate. Finally get to throw some feed in a truck. I think the only bad thing about that is now I can't leave the stuff in the car. Where last time, I mean, I could throw it in the back, but I want to throw it in the bed. I've been in a truck for the past, oh my gosh. I got my first truck when I turned, I got it when I was 16, 17. And didn't last long. And it was a 1996 Dodge 2500 with the 5.9 360 in it. And now, years later, back to an F250 V10. It's the 6.8 liter, so it's it feels good to be back in the truck. It was really good.
Here we are in our new farm toy. This is gonna serve us in so many ways, and we're super excited about it.
Yeah.
Because Lord knows I am tired of strapping wood to the top of my Hyundai Santa Fe. This thing is gonna save us.
Same. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna really help kind of not put so much, well, we're getting rid of the Santa Fe, so, but it wasn't good to be hauling trailers and stuff, to even haul stuff on it. It's not what it's meant to do. So this is something that we can now utilize for what we want to do, and it's built to do it. So yeah.
And on the farm, we're not gonna have a 4x4 or any little like farm get around car or toy, a farm get around toy. We're not gonna have anything like that for a really long time. They're super expensive, so we are obviously gonna pay cash for it. It's not something you finance. And this will be that for a very long time.
This truck has a lot of unique amenities to it, like this garage door. It's manual, it's not automatic, so I mean it's old school, but you know it still works. It's got, you know, good vinyl siding on it, you know. Just done.
In your phone pocket.
Oh yeah. My perfect sized phone pocket.
going to McDonald's, boys. I want to go to Chick-fil-A to celebrate.
Celebrate what?
Our truck.
We don't even know what we have. I mean, we thought that it was a 4-door, and it's not. And we thought it was a diesel, and it's not. And we thought everything worked, and it doesn't. I mean, tomorrow we might wake up and it could be a Honda Civic. And we don't even know.
Why you gotta do that?
I mean, we don't even know what we bought because we looked at it one time in the dark, and then we picked it up in the dark, and we asked like 0 questions about it because we trust the people that we bought it from. And it's got really low miles. Now, I thought it had really, really low miles for a diesel. Just a side note, Emily told me that this was a diesel. She told me it was a diesel, and I don't know a ton about trucks, like pickup trucks and stuff.
And like I do.
Well, I mean, I thought that like you had talked to the people and they said, you know, it was a diesel or something. So, like I told you guys, I haven't had a truck since like years ago, and it had no exhaust. It like, I didn't even know anything about anything. Obviously, I don't know anything about anything still, because I mean, I could be driving a Honda Civic right now acting like it's a F-250. So, it is blue. I got that. It is blue.
Well, part of it is kind of like silver and tan.
Yeah.
Kind of silver and tannish.
Yeah.
And we're going to Texas Roadhouse.
Walmart.
Texas Roadhouse. That heard like Walmart to me. But we're going to Texas Roadhouse. We're going to Texas Roadhouse. We're passing it. Please.
Oh, I thought Texas Roadhouse was down here.
I just want some buttery rolls.
Or is that McDonald's? I don't know anything right now, so.
Let's go to Texas Roadhouse.
Lowe's? Is that what you said?
No, Texas Roadhouse.
Harbor Freight?
No, you're missing the turn. I want to go to Texas Roadhouse. Are you kidding me? Thanks for loading groceries.
Thanks for sitting in the seat and doing nothing.
You're welcome.
But guess what we got? We got a gold.
We got what?
Toilet paper! We got toilet paper. This actually holds a decent amount. Texas Roadhouse. This is Matt. This is Emily's brother.
Hey.
Works at Texas Roadhouse. He's the best server here.
Hooks us up with the free rolls.
That's accurate.
Hanover, PA. Come see him, everybody.
We crushed it. Now we're on our way home.
For change, and in the bad times I fail myself. I'm on the deep end, watch as I die.